video, I will talk about a more advanced topic regarding the command line, communicating and working with servers. There will be a moment in your data career when your laptop or PC will not be enough to handle large amounts of data. For this reason, you need to learn how to communicate with powerful servers. It's time for you to leave the nest and explore the world beyond your computer. We will need SSH, which is a protocol that allows a secure communication with a remote host. It authenticates that the remote host is who it says it is, and it encrypts all of the communications between the local, you, and remote host. Let's see how it works. SSH plus the username, which has been given from the server administrator, and hostname, which is normally the IP address, or a given name which you can give if you modify the file in your etc folder called host, the host file. Here you can add the IP address plus a space plus the name you want to give it, so that you don't need to type the IP address every time you want to connect to a remote server. Let's SSH pi, that's the name of the given username, and the host name I've given it test server. We have to add the password. Now I'm in the server and I can run any script using the server's powerful resources. A useful tool while working on a remote server is Screen. Screen is an application that allows multiple use of terminal sessions within one window. To start a screen, type screen -s and the name you want to assign to the screen, for example screen 1. Here you can enter any command or run any script you want and then go back to the original window with Ctrl+AD. To resume your session, type screen -r. Screen -resume screen 1. Let's go back to our computer. We can do this by doing exit. We're back to our computer, and let's learn how to copy files to the server. To send a file, we use SCP, which works very similar to CP, but needs the user and the host name. We want to copy file 1, which is in my computer, to pi, add a test server, 2 points, we need 2 points, and then the directory where we want to send it. In case, home and pi. I need to write the password, and the file has been copied. This was the last video about the command line. I have shown you the basic tools that you need to know for your data career. Nevertheless, there are still a lot of things that you should learn. Remember that these videos are here to give you an overview and motivate you. So keep on learning!